I welcome you all to Nigeria's most stable political party. To a party that has no litigation whatsoever. I also want to welcome you all to a party that does not know what is called status quo anti-balloon. To a party for the Nigerian women and youth. To a party of dedicated servants of the people like you are. Thank you very much. And let me assure you, on behalf of our party's leadership, that you, the two are one of the biggest political brands in our nation. Yes. Yes. Thank you. We never start to campaign, no. When
let's shoot this thing close. All these things now.
Time and in receiving you, and we know believe. We know what you are bringing on board. The Nigerian people know what you are bringing on board. NDC. There will be time enough for campaigns. There will be time enough when we unfold the political processes within the party. But you know, there is a saying in my place that if you have a beautiful daughter and you have suitors, when you see handsome, good looking, and good doesn't feed a daughter, so you also be interested in what time, by the time you like that, you don't even wait for the bride price to be saved. You don't even wait for the marriage ceremonies to be concluded before you begin to treat that particular suitor as an in-law. Before you okay. In fact, before you I don't electoral, but we have very handsome, very qualified, very suited, and we can pronounce you already in-law. And for all time to be here, few, all who trust and believe them, and who are waiting to hit the streets when the race begins. We thank you all for your support and solidarity to them and to our nation. And to say, head your lungs and get ready. They have come. And on this note, I would like to yield the floor. His Engineer Senator everything, so many things. The leader of a Kwankwaso to make some remarks, and when he finishes, I will turn to my right. I will turn to Okute. I will turn to my right for him to make his concluding remarks, and then we call this a beautiful evening. On this note, over to
Excellency of my dear brother, Kwankwaso, our chairman, of course, all let me stand on all you and existing protocol. You can see that what we did by when I say let the woman shows that this party will support affirmative action for women.
Yes, sir.
Because it's too long when 50% of our population are not participating in our production. Because the party will definitely move the country from consumption to production. Nigeria will be okay.
100%.
We thank Kwankwaso sincerely, and I join him to thank the leader in one word. And I assure him that we are coming here to be part of peaceful part of the family that work hard to build a united, secure, prosperous Nigeria that will work for everybody. Kwankwaso has been so with a leader at the forefront of education, at the forefront of providing primary health care, at the forefront of pulling people out of poverty. Because we want to build a country where a child of nobody can be somebody without knowing anything. That is what we want to do. But we are using this occasion to plead for the government of today. You know that I contested the election in 2023 in a different party. Kwankwaso contested the same election in a different party. But the government of today have ensured that they put up crisis upon crisis, which led to litigations and everything in our party that made us to abandon those parties and move to join another party, while thinking that our situation will abate. But what we saw is that they carried the same problem to where we went to, creating several unresolved litigations and everything. And today, we've left that place to NDC, where the leader have already told us no litigation. We are pleading with them. For sake of democracy, please, don't come here. We are pleading with you. We want to have peace. We want to do the party. We don't want, please, we don't want cases. We are pleading with the judiciary. Please end cases in party so we can face the job of building a new Nigeria that is possible. Yes. So we can take the job of caring where our country is deteriorating today. Just yesterday, I saw a third world developing country, Bangladesh, order for the highest order of plane, 14 new planes at $3.7 billion. Our country has no national carrier. So we want to start building. Please, let there be no litigation. Party members, please don't go to court. We want to build a party. We are not lawyers. Those of us who are lawyers want it to be good practitioners. What we want is a party. We will lock doors, we will be warmly welcome, things will work well for this party. Amen. Women and children will be proud of this party. Amen. These children will, this party will form government that will rescue Nigeria. Amen. Will form government that will ensure that Nigerians can live in Nigeria without living in fear. And
Nigeria will be okay.
Ensure that a mother will no longer cry for a child that left money for school and will not return. And a mother will not cry for a child that went to work or went to farm and will not return. And our farmers will go back to farm. That will ensure that Nigerians will no longer, in their millions, go to bed not knowing where the next thing will come the next day. That's the one we want to fight. We don't want to spend our time in litigation and fighting ourselves. We want to spend our time dealing with issues affecting the ordinary Nigerian. I thank you all of you that are gathered here. I want to be part of this. Informed. The register is about to close. This ship about to sail. Please do everything possible. So join. As chairman, I think our chairman will now be able to say closing remarks and thank you.
It's okay.
Nigeria will be okay. Nigeria will be okay. Nigeria will be okay.
Your Excellency, and let me, on behalf of my members of the Kwankwaso movement and all our support across, thank His Excellency, the former governor,
Bring a chair.
and of course, the leader of NDC. Your Excellency, we thank you for warmly receiving us in your house.
This is all he needs. He just needs to contact.
Let me also thank you for your sincerity of heart. I thank you for taking time to explain to us so many things about this party. And we also congratulate for being a good man, a respected person in this country. We came here together with our team to consult His Excellency, the leader of this party, on our ideology, our blueprint, and all what we believe in, especially my humble self and His Excellency Down. And we realize we are all on the same page, believing in education, believing in empowerment of young men and women, believing in security, and of course, believing in a very peaceful, united Nigeria. So, as we are going, during the discussion, we realized that the party, the NDC, is submitting its register, I think, on the 6th. Now, at this point, I would like to invite all Nigerians, including brothers and sisters who are in diaspora, especially those who are interested in contesting elections in this party, to register as soon as possible. We service to the people. So, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, now that we realize that we only have a couple of days within which we have to register, and we decided before coming out that all of us will register by the grace of God today. And once again, I want all of us who are here, and those of us who believe in us and who believe in promoting the peace and the progress of this country, to register with NDC.
Nigeria will be okay. Nigeria will be okay.
Let me particularly thank the few pressmen and women that we met here. Thank you, and God bless you.
Good evening to all, particular, the Excellencies, Peter Obi and Rabbi Musa Kwankwaso, the National Chairman of our great party, the Nigeria Democratic Congress, NDC. Let me recognize and former. What the member of the National Assembly always won. All members of the working committee, National Working Committee, and all leaders of party, leaders of Nigeria gathered here, women and youth of Nigeria gathered here, ladies and gentlemen, in this, here when we are gathered, we chant the slogan of our party, very special party, ideological, a party of good service. And so when I say NDC, you say service. NDC. Chant, you raise your finger. NDC. NDC. Service for Nigeria. Service for Nigeria. Service for Nigeria. Service for the youth of Nigeria. Service to all the women of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Right? And all members of your, as you can see, even though you didn't want to come with a crowd here, you yourselves, you are personification of crowd, the truth. And the crowd has followed you here. On behalf of my family, on behalf of the National Chairman, and all the members of the National Working Committee of our party, on behalf of the leaders of our party here assembled in no particular order, and on behalf of the teaming members of our party, well-meaning Nigerians from all over our country, who in the last 5 months have defied all odds and doubts, conquered all doubts, and invested their trust and confidence in the dream and vision of this party. On behalf of all of them, I thank you all and I welcome you all specially to the NDC and to my humble home. I want to, on behalf of all of us in the NDC family, one of the youngest political families in Nigeria, but a family that no doubt is prepared to box above its weight. I welcome you to Nigeria's fastest developing, fastest growing